Hi. Sometimes when you put a glide on a chair like this, you use this kind of glide. You have the tube and you drill a hole, thread it, and then with a screw you in the hole and you put it on like that. Then you have a glide the normal way. Another way is to drill a hole, but instead use this kind of plastic rivet. And when you put that, into the hole, and you just, and it's stuck there. It has now, if you look like this, expanded on the inside. It's easier to mount, and if something happens with the glide, you just have a plastic thing pointing out here instead of a screw like that. And that could be a big difference when you are against the floor. The screw will make scratches, but this plastic rivet will probably not do that much harm. But perhaps the screw is stronger, I don't know, but we haven't found a problem with this. So I can recommend this plastic rivet, but test it first. Thank you. From Macarat.